Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla charging station connection errors and the possible causes that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, drivers may encounter charging connection errors when plugging into a home charger, wall connector, or public charging station. These errors can appear as messages indicating charging failed, charging stopped unexpectedly, or inability to establish a secure connection. In some cases, charging may begin briefly and then stop, or fail to start at all. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by vehicle model, charging equipment type, software version, and electrical conditions at the charging location. Verified information shows that one documented cause involves communication and handshake issues between the vehicle and the charging equipment. Tesla charging systems rely on control pilot signaling and communication protocols to confirm proper grounding, voltage, current limits, and safety conditions before charging begins. If the charger detects an irregular signal, grounding issue, or unstable power supply, it may refuse to initiate or may interrupt charging to protect the vehicle and charging hardware. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior service history, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Charging equipment-related factors are also documented. Wear or contamination on the charging connector pins, damaged cables, or internal faults within the wall connector or public charger can prevent reliable electrical contact. As a possible contributing factor, temperature extremes or moisture exposure could be related in some environments, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Software-related behavior is another documented factor. Vehicle software manages charging authorization, current limits, and error handling. Certain software versions may be more sensitive to marginal power conditions or specific charger behaviors, resulting in connection errors. Tesla periodically releases software updates to improve charging compatibility and error handling across a wide range of charging equipment. Electrical supply conditions at the charging site also play a role. Voltage fluctuations, inadequate grounding, or circuit protection devices triggering intermittently can cause charging sessions to fail or stop unexpectedly. These conditions are more likely to occur at older installations or shared electrical infrastructure. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include inspecting and cleaning the charging connector, testing charging with a different charger or location to isolate the issue, ensuring vehicle software is up to date, and having the charging installation evaluated by a qualified electrician if errors persist. In cases where vehicle-side hardware faults are identified, service inspection of the charge port and related components may be required. Reviewed information indicates that charging station connection errors are not universal and often depend on charger compatibility, electrical conditions, and software interaction. Some vehicles may experience isolated errors, while others may see repeated issues until the underlying cause is addressed. In conclusion, Tesla charging station connection errors are generally linked to communication handshake issues, charging equipment condition, electrical supply irregularities, or software behavior rather than a universal vehicle charging system failure. The issue varies by vehicle and charging environment, and resolution depends on accurate diagnosis and appropriate corrective action. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.